Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a precise research question and the top objectives you must answer. Once done, feed Chatgpt a concise brief. Include aims, discipline, citation style, and 5-15 prioritized sources. Make sure to attach or paste key excerpts and dataset descriptions so the model has context. Then ask for a proposed chapter outline with word allocations. This first step turns vague ambition into a mapped plan and gives Chatgpt the concrete inputs it needs to generate focused drafts. Now you work iteratively. Prompt Chatgpt to draft one chapter or subsection at a time, starting with methods or literature review depending on which you can verify fastest. Ask for clear topic sentences, supporting evidence from your sources, and explicit transitions. Once Chatgpt produces a draft, fact-check citations, request tightening of arguments, and ask for alternative phrasing where claims are weak. Make sure to save versions and track changes so you can compare progress and restore stronger earlier text if needed. To finish, consolidate all chapters into a single file and run targeted passes. Style consistency, reference formatting, and concise abstract creation. Ask Chatgpt to generate executive summaries and a tight conclusion that answers your research question. Then verify data and rerun quick calculations or logic checks yourself. If discrepancies appear, prompt Chatgpt to reconcile or flag assumptions. Troubleshooting tip. If content feels generic, provide 3 concrete counterexamples and request revision focused on those specifics to force deeper, original analysis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.